Hey, in this video, I will show you how to make a spotlight on Snapchat or how to post to Snapchat or as a spotlight. It's a very interesting video that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. So you obviously want to go on Snapchat, click on the camera icon, and instead of just recording a normal video like you would, you want to go ahead and click on the timeline option right here and start recording something. And it's very similar to what TikTok is. So you want to click on the timeline option that's at the top, basically top, the third button from top to bottom. After that, you want to just record like I do. And when you're done, you want to hit on the check mark and you can click send to, and you can save it to Snap, or if you have the latest update to add a spotlight, you have add to spotlight option at the top. I don't have one yet, but you might if you live in the United States. So yeah, if this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next video.